royal printed come. These are the blankets of king size, queen size. All such a beautiful collections of handloom manufacturers you can also purchase. And here you are watching these collections at the go down. I am talking about the go down collections, the entire segment of the blankets, the bed sheets, the pillow covers here, beautiful varieties, and even for the jeggings bottoms for the men's collections also. This also you can purchase at factory price. And here lot many varieties of kurtis of official wear and rapier cotton you can see over here. Go down, which talks about the multiple varieties of the collections. Individual segment has been aligned over here. The boutique collections over here, the bunches of double bed sheets and with the pillow covers over here. And here you can see the pattu sarees of silk traditional base, collections of silk pattu jerry border sarees over here. And this side, if I talk about the printed lace border sarees, you can see here all these collections, and here all these varieties, and such a beautiful lehengas of the exclusive party wear lehengas which has recently come down from the factory. See, you're watching here. So such a beautiful jerkin work and heavy dark maroon, which is a bag holder, beautiful backpacking. All these varieties has come from the directly manufactured from the factory of Kesaria. All these exclusive collections of cider wear and the party wear lehengas. But friends, today I'm not going to take you to the party wear lehengas. Today I'm going to take you to the linen segment of collections, linen segment of varieties, linen cotton varieties. Here also a beautiful collections over here, and here I can see the empty stock which the tables has been totally got empty. These are all of the stock which got online order placed from the customer, which is linen cotton. And here are few more linen cotton stock you're watching here. So I just thought the bulk order which has been placed, especially it's fast moving working ladies, they also prefer linen cotton. So keep watching this video, subscribe the channel, regular updates. You can easily contact COD all options also you can purchase. These are all zipper package varieties are linen cotton varieties. These collections are around approximately 400 rupees in you can purchase. You can also let me know the jerry border linen cotton varieties at your city, what cost you are purchasing. So this is a beautiful pattern. The linen cotton varieties of sarees are totally mini printed saree with the baby pink, pinkish jerry with the family man. So the first pattern, the beautiful pattern of pinkish color with the mini print of silver jerry. So this, in this also you have a beautiful color charts. All the code is called family man. And the next pattern is dark lemon yellow color, combination of orange and the mustard color and the silver jerry border. Family man, again the fabric linen cotton, all these exclusive collections, fancy designer, beautiful unique print, especially working women you can prefer. Retailers, if you are into looking for the linen cotton new varieties of printed sarees, you can directly contact at manufacturing price Kesaria. The bulk order, how the customer has purchased, you can also place an order. The baby pinkish color, the unique latest design with the wine color with the light grey color combination. This is also with the silver jerry. So next pattern, such a beautiful pattern of light mustard brown color shade with the onion pinkish leaf pattern with the mehendi green color shade, the mustard shade of the jerry border based on the saree color. You can see such a beautiful unique border sarees also you can purchase and prefer your customers with every color chart, unique designs. And the next pattern is casual painting pattern, the green color, the green with the brown shade. This is also one of the latest design. All the silver jerry borders are very trending in the linen cotton sarees. The light color, which is a light brown or the chocolate brown with the grey color finishing, unique design of the floral printed with the fancy tassels with the golden pattern. You can see the silver jerry with the silver border. So all these unique latest collections you can purchase. And the next pattern, light official pattern of the official color, grey color with the onion pinkish shade with the family man, heavy jerry border of the grey color with the grey shade. This also you can purchase. And here you can see the zipper package of the saree, which every saree you having a color chart. All these exclusive collections of the linen cotton sarees you can purchase. Even not only linen cotton, we have a linen cotton, we have a jerkin work sarees, we do have a rapier cotton silk sarees, we do have a Banarasi silk sarees, boutique variety sarees. And this boutique jerkin work sarees also heavy concept with the zipper package. The customer has given a bulk order for the boutique variety, such a lace border sarees of the very pretty saree with the jerkin work, golden jerkin work. Indigo is the code, and every saree you can see a boutique varieties around 30 to 35,000, 40,000. The customer has placed an order which is going for a billing. You can also contact Kesaria manufacturers for sari, lehenga, crop top lehenga, kurti, bottom varieties, linen cotton, cotton, printed, plain, fancy, embroidering sarees, blankets, bed sheets, kids collections, men varieties, dupattas, bottom collections, all at under one roof you can purchase, and you can see a huge profitable business. So I end up this video. Keep watching this video. Let me know in the comment box from which city you're watching the video, and please share the link with your friends, relatives, with everyone. Retailers, dealers, wholesalers, businessmen, entrepreneurs. Cash on delivery pan India is there available, or advance booking payments also you can purchase. Live video calling purchase also you can do, and visit purchase for pickup drop also is there. So for further more information, website page, social media pages follow. Next video we'll meet up with new more collections. Until then, keep supporting. Take care. Bye bye.